2013 at approximately 7:30 a.m. in Terrace, British Columbia in Canada. That's one hell of an alarm clock.
God playing his Vuvuzela up there.
You still think that's a train?
You sound a little bit like a train, yeah.
Actually made the local news.
Strange sounds were heard across Terrace, BC early yesterday morning and lasted for about 10 minutes. Speculation about what caused it ranges from the aurora borealis to aliens, or it could just be a prank. But similar sounds have been recorded in other parts of BC and reported in other locations around the world.
And these instances aren't limited to Canada. They've been heard literally all around the world, with eerie similarity. Here's Forest Grove, Oregon in 2016.
Annoying!
There were so many people calling in to 911 because so many people were not even really scared, they were just annoyed. They were annoyed.
Shut the fuck up!
At first, I'm sure there were people like, crazy sounds coming out of the sky, but after a while, you're probably like, hey, if you're gonna kill me,
do it.
Do it.
Come on.
Come on. Let's imagine being out on the walk in the forest. Fuck that.
This guy's pretty chill about it.
He's probably saying, what the fuck is that?
I just shit my pants.
I don't know if I'd be looking around to see where it's coming from. I'd probably start running.
Where are you gonna run?
I guess anywhere. See if I could, like, outrun the sound. I mean, at that point, I'm desperate.
I'd probably do the thing where you...
Coming back to Canada in Alberta in 2012 with perhaps the weirdest one yet. I can't even imagine what I would do if I heard that one in particular, because that one kind of sounds like screaming.
Poor guys are just looking to have a little fun out in the woods together.
And these are just a few of the numerous examples online, with these ones in particular being featured on news sites to verify their authenticity. There's been suspected trumpet videos in Russia, Denmark, Mexico, Sweden, Bolivia, Japan. I could go on. So what is happening? And is there somebody or something doing it? It's not just your Facebook-friendly great aunt who might now be QAnon falling prey to the fear of the sky trumpets. We are creatures afraid of the unknown. And in the face of that mysterious big brass band in the sky, communities have been thrust into states of panic. But fear not. That's why I'm here. To ease your mind. Alrighty, what is that smell? Oh, it's your boy cooking up some theories, baby.
Oh, I thought you were gonna say cork.
No, not cork, not cork.
Does cork have a scent?
It's theory time. That's why we're at the theory. That's why we're at the theory board. Anyways, theory one. You may want to put a pillow on your lap for this one, because the first theory is the sky trumpets are all natural, baby. Oh, I knew it! In 2011, the National Weather Service of Tallahassee made the following all-caps statement in an attempt to calm Floridians' imaginations. And given where they live, I can only imagine those imaginations are truly wild. There have been several reports of very strange sounds from the Woodville area since about 6:45 p.m. Eastern. The National Weather Service believes this phenomenon is being caused by thunder from distant lightning strikes, bouncing off a very stable layer above the ground. This is called ducting, and can allow sound to travel unusually long distances. This sound has mistakenly been attributed to possible tornadoes. But we at the National Weather Service want to be very clear that there are no tornadoes, and none are expected.
I mean, someone telling me there's no tornadoes is calming to me.
It kind of strikes me like when your parents would come check the closet when you thought there was a boogeyman inside of it, and they go, "There's no boogeyman in here." Every time they left, I was like, "But he's gonna be there when you leave."
Right, exactly. It's not like the boogeyman shows up and snaps your dad's neck.
One of the foremost experts on the topic is David Hill, who wrote a scientific paper of the most likely natural causes.
Science?